Ever built a chatbot that forgets the conversation history by the third message? You're not alone. AI engineers and ML practitioners waste hours wrestling with stateless architectures that break context, forcing hacks like bloated JSON threads or fragile session cookies. This skill fixes that forever. You'll master vector database integration with Pinecone or Weaviate for persistent memory, context encoding via transformer based embeddings, real time retrieval augmented generation pipelines, and memory decay frameworks for relevance prioritization. Whether you're an NLP specialist, full stack developer, or LLM researcher, we've got your stack covered. Spoiler, it doesn't involve duct taping Redis to your LLM. Here's what's inside the Building AI Chatbot with Memory skill. You'll get vector database integration patterns for scalable memory storage, context encoding techniques using BERT and sentence transformers, memory management frameworks with face indexing, and production grade implementations with GPT-4 and Llama 3. Plus, you'll unlock retrieval augmented generation workflows that dynamically inject historical context into prompts. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a chatbot, it's your AI's hippocampus. Installing the Building AI Chatbot with Memory skill takes one command. npx quanta-skills add building-ai-chatbot-with-memory. That's it. You'll download the complete skill with expert level guidance, context aware code templates, and vector database blueprints. No, your laptop won't sprout an NVIDIA GPU, but your next Claude code session will magically inherit memory aware architectures, retrieval pipelines, and decay resistant context handling. Your AI just gained a long term memory upgrade. No espresso shots required.